Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the outdated client error on Minecraft wherein you are unable to connect to a world in your Minecraft account. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So first things first, make sure that your internet is working on your Windows. So be sure to check your modem or router and reset it if it is a must. And also make sure to reach out to internet service provider if that does not work. So usually those steps will fix this, but if that still does not work, guys, go over to your Windows search bar and search for allow an app through Windows Firewall, like that. And over here, you have to go on over and scroll down to Minecraft. Here, the Minecraft launcher and Minecraft for Windows 10. Make sure that both public here and private is selected or checked. Make sure the private and public are checked like other guys here and there. And after that, you just have to go on over and save the settings and you should be good to go. But if that still does not work, guys, so the third method is go over to your settings, go on over to account. So take in mind, guys, that uh, I might be having the different account settings here, but just follow along here because I'm using a different version. So this will be on your side. So go over to your account here under general and make sure to enable the use cellular data. Make sure that it is enabled because that might be the reason why you are having this problem because you are using cellular data in playing Minecraft. So that might be the reason why you're not connected to the world because you don't have an internet connection because this is not turned on. Also make sure at the top is to make sure that the auto update unlock packs is on with Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure that you choose that on the drop down list here. The next thing to do is to actually sign out of your Microsoft account here. So there would be an option to log out somewhere here. You just have to go ahead and select that and then log in again with your account and see if that worked for you. Next and final step is to actually go ahead and check if you are using a latest version of the Minecraft. So go ahead on their website uh, here and see if you are up to date. So make sure to just go ahead and see here to get Minecraft here so that you would be updated on the latest version of this. So okay guys, that is all for the video today. That is how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching guys and goodbye.